Okay, so this is how to create a Google Cloud assignment in Canvas. So you're going to go to your assignments tab and you're going to click on the blue plus sign to add an assignment, and you're going to title your assignment whatever it is. I think you said it was an Atlas activity, and you can provide instructions here. Complete the activity, points, things like that. And then you're going to want to pick your submission type. You can pick no submission, online, on paper, or external tool. For a Google Cloud assignment, you want to click on external tool. So you'll click that, and then you're going to click find, and it's going to bring up all of the tools that you can look through. And you want to find Google Cloud. It's called Google Docs Cloud Assignment. You're going to click this one. It's going to ask you to authorize and log in, so you would do that. I've already done that. So you would just hit authorize, click on your name, log in, and you'll search for the name of the activity that you have. So I don't have that activity for you, but if you wanted to just put like whichever, and then submit, then select. Then I always click load this tool in a new tab, and then you would assign the due date and availability. Then you would hit save and publish. Then when you have a student working on the activity, the student would see this along with the instructions here. You would click here as a student, and it says that students will receive a copy of it, and then they would have a blue turn-in button over here, and they can edit this document without making changes to the original. And every student gets their own, and they just hit submit, and it's over here if I remember correctly. And that's how you create a Google Doc assignment.